That was a quick suggestion for those of you who are not exactly sure if they're ready to catch water because you don't have the filtration or you're not going to drink it or whatever. A lot of what we do with our rainwater catchment, you can see this is about a 55 or 50 maybe gallon barrel. I have 3 of these on this structure. So one of the things that we do is we have a lot of projects that involve concrete or grout or thin set, things like that, where you just need to kind of have some water to mix, and even some of the cleanup water and things like that, where we don't want to use our good drinking water that we have and bring in. So we just use this rainwater for lots of different things. So today, since we have a project involving some brick veneer, I muted the sound because of the wind. But we had a concrete project that day, so we happen to have quite a bit of water ready to go. So please click to subscribe. Check out our other videos. We are Slick City Ditchers.